What's going on, everybody? So I went to Publix again by myself to get some beers, and I made it. Well, you guys seen that before. So I wanted to talk about Facebook and YouTube, how YouTube is acting lately, and Facebook. I don't know if you've seen the YouTube Shorts. So those little videos, they're destroying hard-working videos from other people. You know, people that put their hard work and talent into making one long video. Now they can't because nobody has the attention to watch a full video. Nobody has more than 1 minute to watch a video. But I got some good news. Facebook, you know the Reels? When you make a Facebook Reel, R-E-E-L, a Facebook Reel, if you keep posting and posting and you get a minimum of probably 1,000 views per month, 1,000 views, you know, you can put 5 videos and each one gets 200 videos, 200 views, or you put one video and that video get 1,000 views. You know, it doesn't matter. As long as you get minimum 1,000 views per month, Facebook will send you, because you don't apply for this. Facebook sends you the invite, and that invite you will receive it as a notification saying your reels are getting a lot of attention, blah blah blah, we would like to start paying you. But you need at least 1,000 views per month to get that. And once you get it, you know, you gotta it's basic information. The only thing that I was afraid of was with typing in my social security number, because you know they do taxes. You know, when they send you the money, they're already doing a tax, the whole process. So what's happening here is that I was afraid at the beginning, but my girlfriend, this is how she makes her money. This is how she's been making her money. So I highly recommend for all of you to start posting, instead of videos, make it a reel. It doesn't matter what it is, you know, the same thing you're gonna post as a video, post it in reels. And in no time, probably in a month, that is if you get a lot of views. Like I said, 1,000 views. You know, you gotta do a whole month of videos, and then the next month is when you start getting paid the month before. So you work 1 month and they pay you for the previous month. So, but yeah, this is I wanted to let you guys know it's an easy way to make $200, $300 a month. And some of you guys have a lot of followers, a lot of people that like your stuff. So instead of posting videos on Facebook, post them as a reel. And in no time, you're gonna get that notification saying, hey, we selected you so you can start getting paid. Yeah, it's a way to start. And I started on YouTube, but YouTube is falling, you know. It's a little hard for now, unless you are really good on your videos, unless you got all the equipment, unless you're very pro, then you get payments. But still, it's just a side hustle. In case you guys wanna make some extra cash on the side, this is the best thing for you. I hope this helps you, and I hope you get and try it out. Try it out. That's all I got for you guys today. Peace.